We did a bit of a survey last week with our Christmas party, and the response from the team was that majority of them found they'd gained efficiency and they'd improved the way they work purely through the software that's been deployed here. The clarity, the visibility, the traceability that we have on projects now is tenfold to what we had previously. So I'm Scott Hanson, I'm the CTO of Corematic and co-founder. We started the business approximately 7 years ago. Predominantly we work within the aluminium smelting sector, biopharmaceutical, manufacturing, food and beverage, construction. Looking or seeking for a way to bring innovation and R&D as a service to our clients. When we first started, we were using Xero. As the team grew, we realised we needed better project management tools. So we moved over to ClickUp. We tried ClickUp, Jira, Monday.com. But the integration between the modules was the main stumbling block for us. We just couldn't get the systems to talk together. And when we wanted to compare data from one sector of the business, maybe projects, to another sector, which might be spare parts sales, we just couldn't pull the data through. We realised at that stage it wasn't necessarily scalable for where we wanted the business to go. In particular, we even have international entities now, so we wanted to be able to trace across both business units, but as a whole as well. And that was when we came across Odoo. The business operations really began to improve when we had a centralised point to manage all of the data. I think the majority of the departments in the business have found efficiency improvements, be it through project management and project visibility, from a financial perspective, being able to track incomings and outgoings. Certainly the manufacturing and the product module has been extremely helpful as the business has scaled and the complexity of the projects that we work on has scaled. We've really been able to leverage that to help us track and trace over time as the project evolves. And even beyond once it's been delivered, we've still got quite a clear record of what was delivered, when it was delivered, and what the particular revisions or iterations may have been, so we can help the client with spare parts. Dashboarding's been excellent. We can get quite a lot of clarity now, and we're really beginning, as we understand the software more and more, we're leveraging the last little bits out of it that we can to give us the Corematic platform. It's definitely been the projects module. Every morning we have a stand-up, everybody can see each other's tasks, they can see who's on time, who's not, understand very quickly and very clearly who needs help, how can we help, is it something we can do, maybe it's a supplier issue and we're just stuck with what we've got. But the clarity across the entire projects team has improved markedly. At the moment we're engaged with an Odoo solutions partner. Now that we understand it, we've been working in the software for the last 18 months or so. So our next big step will be a level of customization, particularly the sales module. We've got so much data in there now. How can we leverage that? How can we make it readable and understandable for all aspects of the business?